Walang nagsasalta.
Ano?
Hoy, bilang!
Wala. Lahat na kayo niyan eh.
Sounds like sleep, sheep.
Manger!
Hindi ka rin ikaw. Manger. Tiebreaker. Okay, tiebreaker.
Hindi naman sinabi English na.
Sa lahat yan, sa lahat.
Sa lahat.
Major. Three words.
Ay, sabi
One
mo,
word. Three syllables.
Jesus! Two consonants.
Meaning na ano? Three kings.
Gusto niyo yung ganyan.
Sleepless siya!
Oy, tayo. Shepherd.
Shepherd. Ano? Eh, yun na yun.
Ay, talking ha, talking! Meron nagto-talking! Hoy, meron talking oh!
Ay, no, Tommy.
Hoy, talking oh, talking! Ay, shortcutting! Shortcutting oh! Cutting trip! Cutting trip! Oy, cutting trip! Meron trip cutting oh! Talking oh, talking oh!
I hear somebody talking.
Hoy, talking oh, siliping pa oh, siliping! Siliping!
Ang magpapas yung kasunod nyo lang, hindi na nasa huli, okay?
Ulit ka nga.
No siliping. No talking. No siliping, no talking, ha? Oh, Valerie. No
Hoy!
talking.
Si Valerie oh!
Sige.
Just right at the back. Just right at the back. No talking, just right at the back.
Oh, no littering!
No talking, mouth. No talking.
No jaywalking!
Oh, and.
Five! Hey, talking oh, talking! Talking! No ballpen!
Tapos na, may winner na kasi. Nauna na sila. Ito.
Daya nito to. Ay, hindi ka nakasali. Tala, mandaraya ka naman eh. Talking ka ng talking eh. Jaywalking pa. Oh, no littering! No littering! No jaywalking!
May wonder na kayo.
Ilan na lang contestant?
Yan, yung judge sa likod.
From the top.
No whispering!
May utak yan talaga. So, talking. Yes, right?
Wala doon sa first line.
Daya ako ba siya?
Sabay-sabay. Okay, muli.
Kuya, basta wag na talking. Okay lang. No talking.
Hindi pa rin ko alam.
Hey, nagdodrawing ka sila.
Ang tagal mo ng usapan yan.
Unang-unang line.
Ang hirap naman ang pinadodrawing. Gamit mong yun. Oh, smile, smile. Yung pang-posing. Oh, yan. Sali niyo, sali. Ayan.
Happy New Year!
Ano ulit? Sabi mo ulit, Happy New Year. Ulit, sabi mo. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Oh, ikaw naman, sabi mo ulit, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Josh!
Hi. Yeah, beautiful eyes niya, beautiful eyes. Uy, beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes. Oh. Ah, nagpapabata lang pala sila.